Hello, we are art students who have been studying the history of art book, one of the most famous art books in the world. After studying this book, we were shocked to find out that there is no woman artist mentioned. Women have fought so hard in society to get to where they are, and they deserve to be in the book. So what did we do? We were so inspired by the performance of Maria Guillermo that we have decided to reinterpret it and add some women artists to the book. As today, the 8th of March, is International Women's Day, we thought it would be a perfect opportunity to share this with all of you.
I'm adding prehistorical woman to the book.
I'm adding Antonia de Bañuelos to
adding Georgia O'Keeffe at the book.
I'm adding Breathe Mary
Stevenson Casat, May 20.
Ellen Theslev.
I'm adding Camila Claudel to the book.
I'm adding María Stucchia.
María de los Remedios Alicia Rodrigo Varo.
I'm adding Frida Kahlo to the book.
Adding Tamara de la Implica to the book.
Hilma af Klint was a Swedish artist.
I'm adding Luisa Rodan to the book.
I'm adding Louise Bourgeois to this book.